Where are the loudmouths now? The flood control project worth billions, wasted, substandard, even non-existent in some areas.
I'm getting very angry. This is what's happening here. Pero wala talaga. Completed ang record ng Public Works. Walang ginawa kahit isang araw hindi nagtrabaho. Wala kang makita, puntahan ninyo, wala kayong makita kahit na ano. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagbaha doon sa kabila.
When the people are drowning, literally, they vanish. These very aggressive and righteous people are nowhere near the issue. But when it was Sara Duterte's confidential funds, they were everywhere. Press cons, privileged speeches, media blitz.
The Supreme Court is a co-equal branch of government. Its wisdom is deep, its authority is real. But its members, like the President and the Vice President, are also impeachable officers.
Now is the perfect moment for Congress to prove their sincerity and integrity, to show the nation that their calls for accountability weren't just political noise. If they were truly serious about cleaning up the government, then they must investigate this flood control scandal with the same persistence and relentlessness they showed against Sara Duterte.
Mahiya naman kayo!
Kasi ito, may payong oh. Natutuwa ako sa payong.